Hello students, welcome to Optics Anand tutorials. So this is Anand sir, lecturer in physics. So I would like to congratulate all of you, those who have completed your 10th class successfully and entering into the Polytechnic first year. Okay, today onwards I would like to explain physics classes for Polytechnic first year diploma. Okay, so today now I would like to say what is the syllabus of physics, okay, and what is the exam pattern of the physics. So this Polytechnic will have the 3 years course. In first year only we will have the physics, okay. In first semester we have basic physics, in second semester we have applied physics. You need to remember like this, okay. And if you see the syllabus, first we have 6 chapters. First one is units and dimensions and frictions. Units, dimensions and friction. So if we go through the topic wise, what are the units, what are the types of units, what are the fundamental units, derived units, dimension nothing but what, okay, what are the dimension analysis, what is error. So like that we will see the in first chapter. And if you see the friction, what is friction, what are the types of frictions, what are the methods of reducing frictions, what are the laws of rolling friction, what is the land roller, okay, that everything we will see the, and angle of friction, angle of repose, regarding all this topic we will see in units, dimensions and friction. So from these only 1 mark question will be appeared and 3 marks question will be appeared. Weightage is 4 marks, okay. And if you see the second chapter, elements of vectors, okay. So what is the physical quantity in this, okay, what are the topics will be there. So what is the physical quantity, what are the types of physical quantities, what is vector, okay, and what is scalar, what is the addition of vectors, subtraction of vectors and multiplication of vectors, okay, like the parallelogram law of addition, triangle law of addition, okay, and scalar product, vector products. All these topics are belongs to elements of vectors. We will discuss from these elements of vectors, okay. So from this second chapter we have we will get a 1 mark question, 1 question will be appeared, and 3 marks question only 1 question will be appeared, and 5 marks question 1 question will be appeared. Total weightage is what, this is 8 plus 1, that is 9 marks. Weightage is 9 marks, okay. Only 1 marks question, 3 marks question, 5 marks question will be there. Only 1 question will be there, will be appeared. So if you see the third chapter, that is mechanics, okay. So this from the mechanics, what are the topics will be there. So from the mechanics we will have, yes, in mechanics we will have some topics like what is projectile, and what is oblique projectile, and what is horizontal projectiles. We will see the types of projectiles in the mechanics, including range, maximum height, time of flight, time of ascent, time of descent. So all are the kinematic equations, okay, or kinematics or motion in a straight line. So we will discuss in the mechanics, okay. So this is very important because 1 marks question will be there, and 3 marks question will be asked, and 5 marks question will be asked, okay. Total weightage is same, that is 9 marks, okay. And if you see the fourth chapter, that is properties of matter, okay. So what is the properties of matter? So in which we will discuss some thermal properties of matter, okay. So we will discuss what is stress, what is strain, what is elasticity, what is strain energy, so what is the behavior of wire. So all this, okay, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, rigidity modulus, we will discuss these thermal properties of matter. On heating, what happens? On heating, what happens to solids? On heating, what happens to liquids? On heating, what happens to gases? These are the types actually, but here we will discuss only solids. On heating, what happens to the solids? That is thermal properties of matters. So in which we will see only 1 marks question will be appeared and 3 marks question will be appeared. Total weightage is 4 marks questions. Okay, if you see the fifth unit, that is heat and thermodynamics. Okay, in heat we will discuss on what is the difference between heat and temperature, and on heating, how the heat is transformed. Okay, transfer of heat in solids, liquids and gases, that we will discuss. Okay, thermodynamics already you know that. Okay, so first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics. Okay, heat engine, refrigerator, Carnot engine. So all these question will be asked in the heat and thermodynamics. So in which only 1 marks question 2 will be asked, and 3 marks question and 5 marks question will be asked. Total weightage is, this is 8 plus 2, 10 marks. 10 marks. Okay, and last chapter is conservation laws and energy sources. Energy sources. What is conservation of laws? Whatever the laws are there, conservation of linear momentum, conservation of energy, conservation of force. Okay, and conservation of energy in the case of freely falling body. Okay, and kinetic energy, potential energy. So all these topics will be discussed in the conservation laws and energy sources. Okay, so in which we have 1 marks question 2 will be asked, and 3 marks question 1 will be asked, and 5 marks question 1 will be asked. Total weightage is 10 marks. Total weightage is 10 marks. Okay, so the most important chapters we can say this is 10 marks, that is 6th chapter and 5th chapter, and also this 3rd chapter and 2nd chapter also very important. So this is about the syllabus and weightage. Syllabus and weightage. Now I will give you a very important 1 marks question, 3 marks question, 5 marks question in the next video. Okay, and if you see the exam pattern or paper pattern of the examination or semester, we have, okay, 3 parts: part A, part B and part C. Okay, part A, part B and part C. In part A, so attempt all the questions. 1 to 8 question will be given. 1 to 8 question will be given. Okay, we have to attempt all the questions. There is no choice. Okay, so each question carries 1 mark, so that total 8 marks. 8 question will be there. Each question carries for 1 mark, total 8 marks. And if you see the part B, that is attempt any 4 questions. Attempt any 4 questions. So total, so here A or B type question will be there. For example, A or B type questions, like for example 11th question is there. This is 1 to 8, this one. Let us consider this is 9th question. 9A question will be there and 9B is there. Okay, either we have to attempt 9A or 9B. Here there is a option. Here 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, like that will be the total. Okay, some question will be given. Out of that you need to attempt 4 questions. Okay, so each question carries 3 marks. 3 4s are 12. Okay, each question carries for 3 marks, or 4 3s are 12 marks. Okay, and part C, last part, that is attempt any 4 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Okay, so this is long answers, 5 marks. Already we have discussed in this. Okay, elements of vectors and mechanics, heat and thermodynamics, and conservation laws and energy sources. So here also same A or B type question will be there. For example, so this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is 15A and 15B. Okay, either we need to attempt 15A or 15A or 15B. Okay, like that question pattern will be, question paper pattern will be there. So okay, each question carries for 5 marks here in part C. In part B, each question carries 3 marks, total 12 marks. This is total 20 and this is total 8 marks. So total marks is how much? 20 plus 12, 32 plus 8, 40. Okay, so for semester only, semester examination will be conducted for 40 marks only. Remaining 60 marks, okay, remaining 60 marks will be internal. Okay, 60 marks will be conducted for the internals. So first internal 20 marks, second internal 20 marks, and okay, remaining 20 marks will be there for attendance and behavior of the students behaviors. So, okay, so only whatever you are going to write in the semester examination, only for 40 marks you need to remember. Okay, 60 marks will be in the your lecture hand or your lecturer hand or sir hand. So this is about the Polytechnic first year diploma basic physics syllabus and paper pattern for the first semester for all branches. This is 2020 and 2021 academic year syllabus according to. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, share, and forward to your friends. Okay, let us come to the one more topic in the next class. Thank you.